Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. And I hope everybody out there is safe. I hope your families are safe. And if you have to go out, guys, just make sure you take the necessary precautions and make sure you have all, your essentials that's needed. That's kind of all I'm going to say about that. I'm sure it's enough media out there to cover this whole thing. However, I do have something to say in reference to it. But before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Now, what I want to say in regards to that, believe it or not, this time is the perfect time for people to join a home-based business. If it's not my opportunity, you should join some opportunity, a home-based business opportunity, guys. Because people are losing their jobs. Even people that have a job, some people in some cases are being notified that from their job that they're excused, they can stay home, but they're not going to be compensated. So where's the income, right? So if you had a home-based business that could be working for you, especially in these times of need, this is what you need, okay? So this is a perfect time. Matter of fact, I had a gentleman to call me yesterday that joined like a week ago and said he's glad he joined this opportunity because his job is not secure and they're possibly going to be laying off. So he already had joined this opportunity with me and he was thanking me for answering all his questions and helping him get started. So he's going to take this more seriously now because of what has happened, okay? So with that being said, I had to come back this week to just show you guys that home-based businesses do work. And it's not just me. Go out here and search the internet. You will see hundreds of people making money from home. So it is very well possible, okay? So if you haven't joined a home-based business, this is the perfect time to do it, okay? All right. Now, Impact Mailing Club. You've seen me talk about it for months now, since last year. It is a direct mail company that offers leads. Leads of who? People that's interested in making money from home. We have their names and we have their address, okay? They actually have raised their hand and said they're interested. So these are targeted people. These aren't just your Joe Schmoes, your neighbors, your friends and family, your co-workers. Because that's not who we promote to. We want to promote to people that's like-minded like you and I. They're interested, okay? So this company, nothing has stopped. It's insane. Not just this company, but home-based business is booming. People are making money in this time, right now. Just like a lot of times people will come to me and they'll say, well, like the end of the year. Oh, it's the end of the year. I'm just going to wait till January. Nobody's going to be buying anything. Not true. Same thing I'm seeing that's happening right now. Okay? Business is booming. Nothing has slowed down, okay? Because people see what's going on, and they're very interested in having another stream of income. And I always say have multiple streams, okay? So, what am I mailing? Because I want to show you that real quick. This is my actual sales letter. Okay, as you can see, there's 4 levels on mine because I'm at the diamond level, okay? So, this is what I mailed. Now, at the bottom of this is box 1, 2, and 3. Okay? But this is the membership. Okay? So, you become a member of the club. This is a club. These are memberships. There's 4 membership levels on my letter here. Okay? So, when you join, you would send me stamps. And you would pay for your membership level. That's how I receive my compensation. But not only that, it's 2 tiers to it because my sponsor will also receive commission. So that's what I like about this. You're not just working by yourself. Your name is on all the people that join you. Your name and your address is going to be in box 2. So when they make money, you make money. Okay? That gives you leverage to make more income. Okay? So what am I putting in my envelope? I have this letter, my flyer. I'm going to show you. And I also include this. I don't want to show the bottom of this, But this is a leads order form. Say if someone gets my, they receive my flyer in the mail and they decide, I don't want to be a member. They don't want to be a member. They may just order leads from me. I still get compensated for just people buying leads. So if you have an opportunity out there and you need some leads, just test our leads out. They're USPS-Verified. Okay, means you're going to get less nixies, less returns. Okay. In any direct mail business, you're going to get some returns because people don't notify the post office that they've moved, right? But with this company, Impact Mailing Club, they have USPS verified leads, okay? So you're going to be less. They're going to be less returns, okay? So if someone gets this form, okay, they can just buy leads without being a member, okay? But if you become a member of the club, okay, become a member of the club, you're able to go back to the company and buy more leads at your leisure at a discounted rate. Okay, so it's a lot of benefits of being a member of the club. Okay, so you also are getting resale rights to sell these lead packages. So for instance, I'm at the diamond level. So if anybody comes anywhere from emerald, ruby, sapphire, anywhere there, I'm going to be compensated. Okay, I can resell any of these packages because I'm at the diamond level and all these other levels are below. Okay, so they are included. So anytime one of my members sells any one of these lead packages, I also will be compensated. Okay, it's a win-win. I mean, it's hands down. I think this is the best opportunity out there with these two levels. The support is second to none. I can email them and they contact me within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. That's a great response rate. That's the difference too. And, you know, whatever company you join, that you're able to get a response from the support. Very important. Okay. So I'm mailing my sales flyer. I'm mailing this order form. And I don't have it right here, but my cover letter. And that goes inside this envelope that I have, this custom envelope. And I just drop it in the mail, guys. That's it. Not to mention, look at all these stamps I have. I have more than this, but I just don't have them right here in front of me. But look at all these stamps. So when people buy the memberships, they also have to send me stamps with my compensation. So look at these stamps. I'm just going to use these stamps. This is free for me. Okay, I'm not having to buy stamps. And as you build your business, the same thing is going to happen to you. Of course, you got to start out as an investment because you're just getting started, buying your stamps, and then eventually people will be sending you stamps. And then you just use these to just mail out more letters and flyers. That's it, okay? And here's, I want to show you this real quick. This is the labels I use, the 5160s or 8460s. You can see right here. Office Depot. This is where I get mine from. Okay, so the leads are on peel and stick labels. You can see right here. Okay, and I got tons of these leads. Okay, so I just peel them off and I put them on my envelope and I drop them in the mail. And you have to trust the process. That's what this is all about, trusting the process. Just do it. Okay, it's just a part of the business. All you need to do is mail and just forget about it. And just think about the next time you're going to mail again, either next week or whenever your budget allows. And just do that over and over and over. Okay? Okay, that's what it's about, guys. Being consistent. But you can't think about the money first. A lot of people just focusing on, well, when is, you know, how long is it going to take and all those things. Don't worry about that. If you trust the process, do the work, the system will take over from there. And on my cover letter, I have my name along with my phone number so people can contact me if they have any questions. All right. When you join my team, you'll get also a custom cover letter. You'll get this resource where I'll get my custom envelopes as well. And I'm matching the leads. Whatever package you come in at, okay? Whatever package you come in at, doesn't matter. I'm going to match that amount of leads, okay? So I'm going to match whatever the company is giving you, okay? As well as the support. I'm here for all my teammates. If you join me, contact me, okay? You should be getting back with your sponsor. Whoever you join, that's who you need to contact once you join and you have questions. and I am that person far as being available to my team. Okay, with that being said, guys, I'm super excited. Just want to show you, I got a few more packages that came in the mail. Okay, and I had one that was online because I do accept electronic payments. Now, with the electronic payments going forward, what I'm going to do is I like to help people out, so I'll go ahead and let you pay electronically. But your stamps are still going to have to be mailed in, okay? So until we get your stamps, you're not going to be confirmed. I'll let you know I received your payment, but I can't confirm you with the company so they can mail your welcome kit until we get the stamps, because stamps also has to go to my sponsor, okay? So we don't want people not to get what they're due, okay? All that goes hand in hand. In other words, you can do the electronic payment, but until we get the stamps, you're not going to be confirmed in yet, okay? So I do accept electronic payments, and get with me if you're interested in doing that. Okay, with that being said, let me just show you these guys. With everything that's going on out here in the world, it's not stopping a home-based business from working. Okay, you still can receive income, and you need to look at a home-based business. Trust me. Okay, so let's do this real quick. Show you some more payments. Got Ricardo. He's out of New York. Welcome, Ricardo. Let's see what's in here. See what we got. And don't forget to look for your emails, guys. Check your spam folders and your junk folder, okay? Because a lot of people are saying, well, hey, what's next? You're going to get 2 emails, one from me and then one from Impact Mailing Club, welcoming you to the company with your cover letter and everything that they give you in that email, okay? So, Ricardo. All right, let me cover up his information. I got 2 books of stamps. And let me cover this up. $300, guys. Ricardo, welcome aboard, my friend. Okay, so we got that one. Let's see what's in this one. Lawanda. Let me show you that for okay? Lawanda. Hang on. Let's see what's in this one. Lawanda. Sapphire. Because we still have the promotion going on as well. Okay? Let me cover up this information. Two more books of stamps, guys. $300. Sapphire. That pays $300. So you see how these payments can add up, okay, on top of your income, even with a job, okay? Next one, Warrington. Warrington is out of Virginia, okay? Let's see. Okay, want to cover up the information here. Okay, Ruby. You see that? Ruby. Ruby pays me $150. Okay, so let's take a look inside. Got this stuff all over the place. Huh. All right, hang on. Okay, it's a Ruby level. Another book of stamps, guys. I'm just going to be mailing using these stamps I didn't even have to buy. Look at these stamps everywhere. Oh, I get a card with this. Pretty cool. Some people just go the extra mile. Thank you, Warrington. Okay. Thanks for being one of them. How nice. I don't want to show his information. All right, so let's see. That's 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 50, 150, okay? Okay, and then my stamps. Thanks for the card. So guys, this does work. You want to get a home-based business, okay? This is why, on top of whatever's going on out here right now, it's amazing that people don't realize you need a home-based business, okay? It would have come in handy right now, but it's not too late. You can get started today. So I'm going to put the link below. I look forward to working with you. Join my team, the Mail Order Freedom Team, okay? Call me if you have any questions. I'll put the link below. Go check it out. I also provide a sales funnel. If people want to do this online, it's not required. You can just mail. You don't need a sales funnel. But right there, guys, with the 150 that I made online, someone joined at that level, plus this, that's $900. Okay, and the week is still going. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. So that's all I've got for you today. I look forward to working with each and one of you guys. You be safe out there, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Okay? Look forward to working with you. You guys have a blessed day.